Welcome to this two-bedroom flat for rent in Germiston Central, Germiston, Gauteng, South Africa for R10,000 per month. Bedford Square, Kingsley Block Corner Unit, super secure, 2 bedrooms 2 bathrooms. Open plan lounge dining kitchen. Main bedroom is ensuite and has its own Juliet balcony. There is garaging for 2 cars. Access cards to the popular upmarket shopping centre, gym, movies and restaurants. 24-hour security guards and concierge to attend to all your needs. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.